So let's unbox this photography backdrop board that the brand sent to me for review. This is perfect if you want to make really nice aesthetic photos, content, and you don't have a really nice background or area where to put it. So it does come with a nice carrying bag where you can put your backdrops in and store it in here. So for the boards, there's one side that is silver and black. And this is good for light reflection also, the top of it. And obviously you can also put it this way for the background to be black. And then on the other side, it's white on white. So when you want to just have really clean white background for photography, this is good. How to make this stand is you put the little plastic corners for it to stay upright. Let me show you all the colors and options. And again, you can just use it as a backdrop, and you can also use it on the bottom and the top, one on the bottom, one on the top, or just the background color and leave the other one white. So we have this nice yellowish, a very bright pink, solid gray, kind of like not black, but a dark gray, a nice baby blue, a nice matte green, a peach, a bright brown. Then we have this one. This is kind of like wood grain, and a different type of wood grain on the other side. This is a really nice teal color with kind of the marbling on it, and a green marbled on this side. And this one looks like a kitchen counter. So if you have any, or bathroom counter, so if you have any like toiletries, makeup, things like that, that's a perfect color. And again, also another marbling on the back. And then we have this kind of looks like, I don't know, is it like a pool deck or just outdoor decking? And again, more wood grain on this side. So yeah, these are all the color pieces, and how you would put them into place is you can kind of put them into these little plastic things in the corner, and then you have those clips and you can just clip them on. There is 4 of those clips included, and you can use them for the top and the bottom. And this is how you get beautiful aesthetic photos. You can see I have it just on my TV stand. You can literally just put it on a chair facing the window where you have your natural sunlight come in. Put your products, anything, makeup, jewelry, skincare, little kitchen appliances, whatever you want to take photos of or videos of. And you place your item in the center and then just photograph it. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for review. I think this is very good quality, very versatile in terms of colors and options. Definitely something I would be using for creating content.